they're behind us. Oh, I don't like that when I don't know where they are now. I better keep moving. I don't want to be a sitting target. I don't know where they went. Which way they're going. It's under you. Oh, is it coming towards you? Oh, look, it just went by. Look, look. Oh, look at it. I don't want to find out about that jumping thing. I don't want to get jumped up. You see? Holy mackerel! Holy mackerel! They're playing with us. Did you see how close? I thought he was gonna bump me. Oh, you got that on film? Look, 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 look. Oh, that one had a rainbow in his breath. Holy jeez, my heart's going a mile a minute on that one. Holy mackerel. Wow.